Well, today is the day that the sink comes out. I went around the edges with some PV Blaster and Goo Gone, and I think after a little time of setting, it is time to go out with the old sink. And the next time we come up, it will be time to go in with the new. And with any luck, in with the new. She's a tight fit. Oh, that's gonna be nice.
Oh, look at that.
Drilling right into our new sink. There are not many things on a boat that actually should be siliconed into place, but a kitchen sink can be one of them.